basically once he has set these points, what he says that now what should be the job or duty or role of anthropologist? Now he says that, see, this point we have established that everything has emerged from where? From the Egypt. So the role of anthropologist. Now the question comes that many scholars have argued that how the stratification came into existence. What is the theory that is explaining the origin of stratification? So 2-3 major theories. As a reaction against Marxism and structuralism. As a reaction against Marxism and structuralism. Equal importance to all the parts of society. And what I told you in the beginning, functionalists believe in studying of which society? Present society, present social structure. So the best way to study present social structure is what? As in anthropology, it is the field major or art forms are there. You cannot say that the ballet dance form of art, like a dance form, is much more better as compared to salsa, or salsa is better than Kathakali or something like that. Everyone is unique. Or within India also, you cannot say Kathakali is more better and Bharatanatyam is like inferior, right? So that is something that you cannot. With Paramatma at the end. That is what we refer as salvation, which is the eternal or which is the ultimate goal of human life. Okay, as per the concept of Pulsar. This is what we call as hybridization. Okay, like for example, you talk about the animal kingdom. In that, what happens? For example, in case of India, okay, the cows are there and then they have low milk yield. And then if you look at the Swiss cows or in the northwestern Europe, due to the climate, what they have higher milk yield. So many times what happens? Crossbreeding is done between Indian cows and the European.